In this time, eyesight weakness is the big problem and trouble for many old and young people. If your eyesight became weaker, you have to use glasses, and it becomes trouble because always there is a danger of misplace or breakage of glasses. Keeping it safe becomes an exclusive responsibility. The solution of the entire problem is in the head of fish. Yes. The head of fish. Clean the head of fish and make its pieces. Pour some salts and black peppers in routine quantity and make its delicious soup. Yeah, take sips of 1 cup of a light warm soup in the morning. After every 3 days, take a cup of this soup and continue it for a few days, weeks, or months. One person only drank this tea thrice only, and eyesight improved such that he was no longer dependent on glasses. For adults, a cup of this tea is to be used, and for kids half a cup for a few days, weeks or months. Fish head soup is very helpful in curing Bell's palsy, facial paralysis, stroke, sciatica, weakness of the nerves, weakness of the muscles, symptoms of before-time old age illnesses, and weakness of memory. People who suffer from memory loss or have a weak memory in either their youth or their old age should use the soup made with the head of a fish. If some cannot use it in the summers, then using it in the winter should be chosen for.